Okay students, let us proceed to find an integral of format of integration of 1 upon a plus b sin 2x dx. Here we have a given question number 6 of second part of exercise number 3.2b, which is integral of 1 upon 2 sine of 2x minus 3. Students, if we compare this format with our standard format, that is a plus b sine of 2x dx. Okay, if we compare the given question with our format, we get a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2. So and we know that in such type of integral we have to assume tan x is equal to tan of x is equal to t, since tan of x is equal to t, and then we have dx is equal to dt upon 1 plus t square, and since there is sine of 2x, then sine of 2x is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so these two are our substitutions for such type of integrals. Okay, let us substitute these substitutions in our integration format, that is 1 upon 2 into sine 2x, that is 2t upon 1 plus t square minus 3 d, and dx can be written as dt upon 1 plus t square, and 3 can be written as 3 upon 1, and after simplification we can write 2 to the 4t upon 1 plus t square minus 3 upon 1 into dt upon 1 plus t square. This is equal to 1 upon, after cross multiplication we can write 4t into 1, that is 4t minus 3 into 1 minus 3, and minus into plus is minus 3t square, minus 3t square upon 1 plus t square into dt upon 1 plus t square, dt upon 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square get cancelled out. We have 1 upon 3t square minus 3t square plus 4t minus 3 dt. Okay, so we get a quadratic expression in t. We have to make a perfect square of this quadratic expression which is in t. Okay, हमें इसको क्या करना है, एक perfect square फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. Since we have to apply, then we are able to apply our sum integral form. उसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपना जो सम स्पेशल इंटीग्रल्स है उसके फार्मूला को हम वहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं आफ्टर कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू फॉर्म ऑफ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. Okay, that you have learned in standard 10, that is solution of quadratic equation using perfect square method. तो आइए चेक करते हैं इसको. That is minus 3t square plus 4t minus 3. Okay, minus 3t square plus 4t minus 3. Our first step is that we have to make the coefficient of t square. यहाँ पे जो t है तो t square के कोफिशिएंट को हमें 1 बनाना पड़ता है. For that, take minus 3 as a common, we get t square minus 4 by 3t plus 1. Okay, plus divided by minus, and minus divided by minus is plus, that is plus 1. After that, we have to take third term, that is 1 by 2 into coefficient of t. Coefficient of t is minus 4 by 3 to the whole square, that is 2 to the 4, and square of minus is plus 2 to the 4, that is 2 to the 4, that is 4 upon 9. So we get third term is 4 by 9. So this one is equal to minus 3 t square minus 4 by 3t plus 1, adding and subtracting our third term in our quadratic expression in which the coefficient of t square is 1. आपको इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है क्या 4/9 और minus 4/9. Okay, so our next step is this one is equal to -3. Make a first perfect square term, that is a minus b or a plus b to the whole square, depending on the sign of here, that is negative. So taking the square root of t square, that is t, right, minus and divide the coefficient of t by 2, that is 4/3. 4/3 whole dividing by 2, that is 2 2 is 4, 2/3. This here is 2/3 to the whole square, and since this one is our a minus b to the whole square, and we know that in this bracket there are three terms are included. First is a square plus b square minus 2ab. तो यहाँ पे हमें मालूम है there are three terms are included. तो यहाँ से कौन कौन से टर्म इसमें इंक्लूड है, इसमें कंटेनिंग है, आइए चेक करते हैं. that is t square plus 4/9 and minus 2ab, 2 2 is 4, 4/3t, that is this. The remaining terms are 1 plus 1 and minus 4/9. This one is equal to -3, t minus 2/3 to the whole square, 9 ones are 9, 9 minus 4, 5, 5/9, and that one can be written as under root 5/3 to the whole square. Okay, clear? So this one is this quadratic expression converted into perfect square form, into its perfect square form. Next step is our, so take this, so minus 3t square plus 4t minus 3 can be is converted into this form. So take this. Here we have I is equal to 1 upon this whole expression, quadratic expression converted in this form, that is -3 to t minus 2/3 to the whole square plus under root of 5/3 to the whole square. और यहाँ पे क्या था dt, that is dt, and this one is equal to -1/3. And this expression is 1 upon x square plus a square. X square plus a square, the using our some special integral formats of integration, that is 1 upon a. 1 upon a means under root 5/3 into tan inverse of x by a. X means t minus 2/3 upon a means under root of 5/3 plus c. This one is equal to minus 3 3 get cancelled out, minus under root of 5 tan inverse of 3 upon under root of 5 into 2 of 3 upon under root of 5 t minus, that is 3t, t means tan x minus 2 upon 3. Okay, plus c. So this one is your answer. Okay, now root 5/3, 1 upon root of 5/3, that is 3 upon root of 5 into 3t minus 2 upon 3. Okay, that is you can cancel out this. So our answer is -1 upon root of 5 tan inverse of 3 tan x minus 2 upon under root of 5 plus c. Okay, so students, in this way we can integrate a format of integration, that is 1 upon 2 sin 2x minus 3 dx. Our answer is 1 minus 1 upon root of 5 tan inverse of 3 tan x minus 2 upon under root of 5. Okay, under root of 5 plus c. Okay, students, so easy, please make a note.